Back, everybody. Okay, all week long, or really earlier this week,
Yeah.
a lot of our cameras were so hazy. I kept saying, what's going on out there? You're tracking another plume of Saharan dust.
Yeah, and it's going to get way hazier than it's been this week here as we head into the weekend. This is not our first plume of Saharan dust. In fact, technically, there's still some dust in the air now. But there's a much thicker plume of this Saharan dust waiting in the Caribbean, and it'll be moving in as we head into the weekend through the middle of next week. So it's going to get hazy here this weekend, especially Sunday and Monday of early next week. And then the haze still around on Tuesday and Wednesday, just thinning a little bit. And a reminder of what Saharan dust is. It is the dust that is blown from the Saharan desert in Africa across the Atlantic Ocean, and then it eventually makes its way into central Texas. It does reduce the air quality and makes it a little hazy. Most of you won't have trouble breathing, but if you are more sensitive to slightly lower air quality, you usually know who you are by now, then it is worth sort of staying inside for here this weekend. It does bring us some benefits, creating some vibrant looking sunrises and sunsets. It also, at the same point, suppresses tropical development in the Atlantic, which some may say is a good thing. No hurricanes and tropical storms, right? But of course, some of us rely on that sort of rain here in central Texas to beat a drought. So good and bad news there. No Saharan dust to speak of outside right now. This is the look from our Austonian weather camera, where you can actually see a plane coming into land there. Let me just switch the camera in the background to the one at Circuit of the Americas, because we've got some rain falling down there in southeast Austin. So already parts of Travis County seeing some downpours and storms, nothing severe, but locally heavy rain. On track to continue slowly working toward I-35, and then back to that Austonian weather camera where we can see some of the rain in eastern and southeastern Travis County. Big picture, that same disturbance that's provided extra lift and moisture into the air and providing these almost daily rain chances here this week is for the last time with us to provide at least scattered downpour and storm coverage, favoring our eastern counties into the metro. Lower rain chances in the hill country, but not zero chances. Hill country, your chances of rain will peak early to mid-evening once these storms move through the metro counties. You can see most of the rain is still east of 35, but as we zoom into Travis County and zoom into Austin, downtown right there, and our camera was looking to the east at these showers, and then there's a downpour approaching the airport, and then Circuit of the Americas where we showed you the rain coming down. That's where the heavy stuff is. And then also northeast of Garfield, another downpour there between Garfield and Manor. A little bit of lightning with that one as well. These are slow to move northwest, but should continue doing so as these outflow boundaries continue to work in that direction. Still a more significant storm around Lytton Springs there, north of Lockhart. Much more frequent lightning and very heavy rain. This is on track to work its way a little north into far southern Travis County. And then we've got another one southeast of Lockhart near McMahon. Heavy rain there. Spring Prairie, you're seeing the rain tapering off a little bit. Northeast of the city of Bastrop, another cluster of rain. And then in Milam County, a little bit of some scattered downpours and storms for you too. Still Williamson County not getting in on as much of the action as we expect Travis County and eventually Hayes County too, and certainly our eastern counties. As we go into the evening, scattered downpours and storms continuing through 5 and 6, especially for the metro and our eastern counties. A couple of spotty showers may enter the hill country though. But then between about 8 and 9 o'clock, we see a quick shutoff of the rain as we lose the daytime heating, and then we're dry the rest of the night. Low clouds start us off again Friday morning, much like the last few weeks, really. And then the sun is out, a lot of it, late morning, midday, mixing with some puffy afternoon clouds, and then just a couple of spotty showers here tomorrow. Rain coverage will be much lower tomorrow than what we've had the last few days. So tonight, showers ending, say by 8, 9 o'clock, 74 your overnight low as those low clouds come back in. And then tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds with just very isolated showers or a storm later in the day. 10% chances of that, and 96 for the high. Gets a little warmer this weekend. Saturday's looking dry with early morning clouds giving way to a lot of sun and 97. Sunday 97 as well, but there is a 10% rain chance for our eastern counties. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Much less activity ahead with almost a daily 10% rain chance. Means that the vast majority of you don't get a drop of rain. But temperatures slowly creeping up. 98 Monday for the final day of June, 99 Tuesday for the first day of July, 99s Wednesday and Thursday. And while this is not including July 4th, which is next Friday, you can bet it'll be hot. And right now, probably a low chance of rain.